Hello everyone. Today we are going to have a look at the watch list section of the TradeSmart 2.0 mobile application. To view your watch list, you can click on the Watchlist tab in the menu at the bottom of your screen. Under Watchlist, you will be able to see two major segments, My Lists and Indices. The Indices tab will give information on all index available on NSE and BSE exchange respectively. Coming back to the My List section, this is where you can create your own customized watch list of the stocks that you prefer. Let's talk about the features in the My List section. You have a search bar using which you can search for the stocks that you want to add. Next is the indexes. The indexes are already been selected as Nifty 50 and Nifty Bank by default. However, you can change this by clicking on the Indices tab and selecting the one that you prefer. You can also create 5 different watch lists as per your preference. Now, let's talk about how to add stocks into these watch lists. You can simply click on the search bar and type in the name of the script that you want to add. For example, let's add an equity script. I'm going to type in SBIN and I can add in any of the stocks by simply clicking on the plus icon next to the stock. As you can see, I have added SBIN EQ and SBIN, and these are visible in my watch list. To add a future and option script, you can also type in the option index along with the name. As you can see, I'm going to add Bank Nifty 21 Feb 2024 46,000 CE, and it has been added into my watch list. You can also filter these scripts according to your preference. You can click on the filter tab in the right and you can select your preference. For example, if you just want to view the NSE stocks, you can click on NSE and you will be able to view the NSE. If you want to view the BSE stocks, you can click on BSE and the BSE stock available in that watch list will be shown. You can also sort them alphabetically, or you can sort them according to their last traded price. Now, let's understand how to view the details of a stock. By simply clicking on a stock, you can scroll up and view the different options available. For example, you can buy and sell as well as view option chain or set a price alert for the stock. You can view details like market depth, last traded price, open and high, close and low, all of these values. To view the chart for the specific stock, you can click on the chart option shown at the top. This will allow you to analyze the candlestick pattern of the particular stock. You can also view the option chain. The next option is of price alert. You can click on price alert and set in the price that you want to be alerted for. If it is greater than the market price, you can select greater than or equal to and type in a greater value than the one shown at the top of your screen. For example, for HDFC Silver, the market price shown is 69.37. I can type in 70 here and it will alert me when the market price is greater than 70 or equal to 70. And it will be added into the price alert section of the tools tab. You can also place an order by just clicking on buy, or you can sell an order of this particular stock by clicking on sell. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope this was helpful.